Welcome to Swamp Bites, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Hillary Ake, sports performance dietitian here at the University of Florida. Today I'm going to walk you through a healthy and delicious recipe while cooking with natural gas. Breakfast is a favorite of our Gator athletes, and these pumpkin ProCakes are a great recipe. So breakfast is always one of our athletes' favorites. They always want it, even for dinner. Our athletes will have eggs for breakfast, but adding extra protein powder to these ProCakes is an easy way for us to get a little bit more protein into their diet. These ProCakes can be made with any kind of mix-ins. Chocolate chips, bananas, things like that are always a big hit. We decided with it being fall that we'd add pumpkin puree for a little seasonal flair. The protein powder I used was vanilla, but an unflavored one will work nicely too. I'm using water to mix into our ProCakes, but you can use milk. We just have some athletes that are dairy-free, so putting in water is an easy substitute. When you're baking, it's important not to overmix or your pancake will fall instead of being nice and fluffy. We like to make sure we mix our ProCakes carefully. I like cooking with gas because it gives me a precise flame and temperature control. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can use natural gas at your next tailgate, in your home, or at your business, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.